Hi guys, Captain Nick Pavlakis here with MarineMax in St. Petersburg, Florida. And of course, Captain Keith.
Hey guys. Today we're just going to kind of touch base just briefly on some of the other expenses you may encounter, or you will, with owning a boat, right? Things you need to plan ahead for. But the cool thing is MarineMax can help you with all of that. Whether it's, some of our facilities have got storage, service, we can bottom paint boats, your planned maintenance, your annual services and all that, we can do all that for you. Nick gets that question a lot being in sales.
So hey, I get it, especially for a first-time boat owner. It's like, okay, I found a boat I love, it's well within my budget, but what am I gonna get hit with on the back end of things? Well, MarineMax makes that simple for you. That's just really all there is to it, whether it's insurance, pre-planned maintenance, a place to keep the boat, and of course a lifeline at the end of the day. It doesn't need to be scary because boating is recreational, boating is fun, the boat buying process should be fun, and of course the boat owning experience should be fun as well. So I know you've heard the horror stories out there, you're in good hands. Let us hold your hand throughout the whole process, right Keith?
Yep, and I mean, you guys heard me say this time and time again, we've got all the resources in the world here available to you. So there's no reason to go anywhere else. It can all be done right here, and we're happy to do it for you. So be sure to check us out online at MarineMax.com or visit one of your local MarineMax stores. So I'm Captain Keith checking out, along with Captain Nick here.
Bye guys.
See you guys out on the water.